Hello, my name is Angie and this is the Festival of Leyenda Vallenata. It is a folkloric festival that brings together the great composers and performers of the vallenato music genre and is held every year in Valledupar, Cesar. It's an event I've been to many times. Since it's a folkloric event, I have I haven't tried different food. I've eaten roots, hamburger or hot dogs, and always accompanied by a soda or water. Mostly eat fast food. I listened to vallenato since that what the event is about and its genre I love. And I always liked to feel comfortable. I wore sneakers, jeans and shirts. All that are cool. I have always participated as a spectator. I have never in one on the contest, but I have seen contestants from the youngest child to the oldest adults. It is a unique experience that I will repeat whenever possible. Thank you.